Hi everybody, it's Teresa from Dodge Nature Center, and today we're going to talk scat. Yeah, that's right. It's kind of a disgusting subject, some people might think, but actually scat is amazing stuff. It tells us a lot about the animal world.
Scat serves a purpose beyond just the body getting rid of waste that it doesn't need. Animals are using it to communicate a large range of information to other animals, both of their same species and to other animals in the area. One of the things they're doing is they're using it to mark territory. They also are using it to inform other animals who's in the area, and it can indicate reproductive status, who's available, if you will. Animals deposit their scat in different ways to leave these messages. Here you can see where a muskrat has deposited its scat. It builds up this little mound and it will repeatedly go to the same area to leave scat behind. So it's scent marking in this area. Other animals, like this rabbit, will just deposit where they go. Coyotes, they leave their scat right in the middle of the trail. So when you're out hiking, you may wonder, why is this scat in the middle of the trail? Well, the coyotes are leaving a message for other coyotes and other animals. Scat also serves an important function in helping to spread seeds around. The animals will eat fruit. The seeds that are within those fruits don't get broken down in the digestion process. And then when the animals leave the scat behind, it's pre-fertilized, if you will. And for humans to study animals, scat provides a really nice way to learn about the animals in a very non-invasive way. You don't have to worry about trapping the animals and then putting some type of a radio collar on them. You can just go out and collect scat. And we've done this in order to learn a number of different things. It helps us, first off, know what animals are in an area. Scat looks different for different animals, so learning to recognize the scat helps us to know which animal is in the area. Collecting the scat and analyzing its DNA helps us to figure out the population size. It also gives us an idea of the range of the animals, what their territory size is. And lastly, it gives us an idea of what the animals are eating. When you look inside, are you seeing plant material? Are you seeing hair or fur? What the animal eats tells us also what other animals are in the area. One last fascinating thing about scat, and that's coprophagia. Yes, where an animal eats scat. Now, you might ask, why are they doing it? Okay, take for instance, rabbits. In the summertime, they're eating lovely green leaves and grasses and nice soft plants. But come winter time, they have to chew on the bark that's there. And it doesn't get digested as easily as those softer plant materials. So when they create their pellets, there's still a lot of nutrients within them. And so the rabbits will eat the pellets the first time that it goes through their body. That second time it comes out, their pellets are much lighter in color and they're much more like sawdust because they've extracted even more nutrients from that. So the next time you're out hiking and you come across some scat, try to figure out maybe the animals were leaving a message beyond just the fact that they needed to go to the bathroom. If you want to know more about whose animal scat it is, there's lots of different field guides that are out there, some for adults, some for kids. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Nature to Go, and we'll talk to you again next time.